You're rocking out to your favorite playlist, the bass thumping, the vocals soaring. Then without missing a beat you casually utter a name, Alexa, or Hey Google. The music instantly dims and your smart speaker is ready to respond. How does this clever device, with all that noise, somehow filter out the chaos and pinpoint your voice? How does it even with music playing right through its own speakers? It's a symphony of advanced audio processing, clever algorithms, and a touch of digital mind reading, all happening in milliseconds to make your command effortlessly understood. Your smart speaker is more than just a listener. It's a sophisticated auditory detective. Welcome to the Smart Side, the channel where we unravel the ingenious science and hidden processes behind the everyday. Today, we're diving into the hidden world inside your smart speaker to reveal the astonishing technology that lets it understand your every word, no matter how loud the party. The journey from your voice to your smart speaker's understanding begins with its alert ear. This device isn't fully on and recording everything you say. That would be a huge privacy concern and drain immense power. Instead, your smart speaker has a tiny, ultra-low power processing chip constantly running a specialized wake word engine. This engine does just one thing. It continuously listens for a very specific acoustic pattern, your chosen wake word like Alexa or Hey Google. It's like a digital dog trained to only react to its name. Until that precise pattern is detected, no full audio is streamed to the cloud, and no detailed processing begins. It's a vigilant, yet efficient guardian of your privacy and its own battery. Once that magic word is spoken, the speaker springs to full attention, and that's when the real auditory detective work begins. Now for the biggest challenge, hearing you clearly over that blasting music, the barking dog, or the noisy TV. This is where your smart speaker becomes an auditory superhero, employing a suite of powerful techniques to pinpoint your voice amidst the chaos. First, it uses its microphone arrays and beamforming. Look closely at your smart speaker and you'll often spot multiple tiny holes.
Alexa,
these are microphones, typically an array of 4, 6, or even 8. Each mic hears sound slightly differently based on its position. The speaker's processor leverages these subtle differences in timing and volume to create an invisible spotlight, a focused beam that locks onto your voice, effectively ignoring sounds coming from other directions. But even with that focused beam, some background noise inevitably sneaks in. That's where noise cancellation steps up. Smart speakers use advanced algorithms to identify common noise patterns, like a vacuum cleaner's hum or the chatter of a crowd, and then digitally subtract them from the audio input, leaving your voice clearer. And for the truly mind-boggling part, especially when music is playing right through its own speakers, there's acoustic echo cancellation, AEC. Your smart speaker knows what sound it's playing, so before it sends your voice command for processing, it digitally cancels out its own output from the microphone input. It's like it has a perfect internal record of the music, which it then mutes from what it's trying to hear from you. This allows it to distinguish your spoken command from the very music it's generating. These three ingenious techniques work in seamless concert, creating a crystal-clear audio stream of just your voice, ready for understanding. Once your voice is isolated and cleaned up, it's sent, often encrypted, to the cloud for the next stage, understanding. This process has two major steps. First, your clean audio hits a sophisticated speech-to-text (STT) engine, also known as automatic speech recognition (ASR). This powerful engine uses highly trained acoustic models, which understand how sounds relate to words, and language models, which grasp grammar, vocabulary, and common phrases. It rapidly converts your spoken sounds into a written text transcript, all in fractions of a second. Think of it as turning your voice into a digital sentence, ready to be read. But a sentence is just words. That's where natural language processing, NLP, steps in. The NLP system takes that text and performs a deeper analysis. It identifies the intent behind your words, extracts key elements like lights, music, or weather, and understands the context of your command. This is the crucial stage where the smart speaker truly begins to understand what you mean, figuring out if you want to turn something on, play a song, or set a timer. With your intent understood, the magic moves to the colossal computing power of the cloud. Your smart speaker's brain isn't just in the device itself, it's distributed across vast data centers. The processed command is sent to Google, Amazon, or Apple's cloud servers. Here it accesses immense databases, weather forecasts, music libraries, shopping lists, general knowledge, or connections to your smart home devices. The cloud processes your request, finds the answer, or executes the command, and then generates an appropriate response, either as text or by sending a signal to another device. This response travels back through the network to your smart speaker, which then converts the digital response back into a natural-sounding voice, completing the seamless interaction. It's a global conversation, all for your convenience. The technology behind smart speakers is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Future advancements are set to bring even more impressive capabilities, making these devices smarter and faster. We're seeing a shift towards more on-device processing, meaning less reliance on the cloud for quicker responses and enhanced privacy. Systems are rapidly improving in multi-person recognition, getting better at distinguishing between different voices in a room to offer truly personalized responses. And we're heading towards deeper contextual understanding where smart speakers will remember past conversations, leading to more natural, flowing interactions that feel less like commands and more like genuine dialogue. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The fact that these devices are always listening for that wake word naturally raises valid privacy concerns. Companies are continually improving security measures and offering users more control over their voice recordings and data settings. It's a vital, ongoing conversation between convenience, innovation, and privacy, shaping the future of how we interact with our technology. So the next time your smart speaker cuts through the noise to answer your command, remember the incredible journey your voice just took. From the vigilant wake word engine to the auditory detective work of beamforming and echo cancellation, through the powerful language decoders, and out to the vast brain in the cloud, it's a symphony of invisible intelligence. Your smart speaker isn't just listening, it's understanding, connecting you to the digital world, even with the music blasting. Were you surprised by how your smart speaker truly hears you? What other smart home tech or digital mysteries do you want us to unravel on the smart side? Share your thoughts and curious questions in the comments below. If you found this explanation enlightening, smash that like button to support more smart content, share it with a friend who's always yelling at their speaker, and make sure to subscribe to The Smart Side for more mind-blowing discoveries. Stay smart and keep talking.